Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazmine and today I'm going to show you guys what I got in my trunk club box. So for this month's box, I didn't get a lot of items. I rejected a few and so I only got 8 items and no shoes, which is really nice because I honestly don't need more shoes, even though I do need to replace a couple of my heels, but that's replacing. I don't need to add more. So the first item that I got is from Gazmine, and this is like an off-the-shoulder top. And I've told my stylist before that I love off-the-shoulder tops. I love showing my little shoulders, you know, give it a little pat. The material of this, it is a little bit see-through, but it's like very comfortable. I really like this material a lot. I will definitely have to like layer it at least because it is pretty see-through. At first when I opened this, I thought it was inside out because of the trimming detailing, but then I realized it's not inside out, it's just how it looks. So even though this is like a very comfortable shirt to wear, I'm not going to keep it because I'm not fully in love with this. Like, I think this is okay, but I only want to keep items that I actually really do love and I see myself wearing, like to work or around the house. So this is a no-go. So I got this blazer type of sweater from Nick Plus Zoe, and it is pretty comfortable to wear. I don't know what material this is. The material feels like kind of a sweatshirt, or maybe like a crew neck sweatshirt. I like the detailing right here because it has a magnet, and so that way it's like you're able to close it and it doesn't feel like a button or anything like that. I thought that was pretty unique. I do like the lining right here going into the pockets. Thought that was pretty cute. And it does have padding at the shoulders to give it like a more of a blazer type of look. Because I feel like most blazers has padding at the shoulders. And yeah, it is a pretty cute blazer, but it's $165 and I'm like, I don't know about that. It's pretty cute, a little bit pricey, but I don't think I will really wear that too much. So the next item is from Topshop, if you can't tell from the hanger. Absolutely love the pattern. The pattern is like a houndstooth type of pattern, and it's pretty different from the traditional houndstooth because houndstooth is normally like black and white, but this is like has like 3 colors. It's like black, brown, and like a beige, which is really cute. I also like this detailing right here. I forgot what it's called. I took like a semester of sewing class and I learned how to do this, but I forgot what it's called. And it has 2 fake pockets right here. Kind of wish they were real pockets, you know. I like skirts to have pockets sometimes. And I also like the little belt detailing, like the fake belt detailing right here. It is pretty cute. So the next item that I got is from Free People, and I believe these are joggers. I believe so, or Harlem pants. But it's like a rusted red color. And I honestly thought these were pretty interesting. This is definitely not my type of style. The color is nice. I would have honestly liked this as like a top, or maybe a jacket, like a jean jacket this color. That'll probably be nice. But for pants, I normally don't really wear colored pants all like that anymore. Like I used to back in like middle school, maybe when I was a teenager. But yeah, this doesn't really fit my style. I'm happy that all the pockets are real though, because I would not like to have this and have like fake pockets everywhere. Yeah, it's just not my style, but it's pretty cute though. Okay, so the next thing that I got is a jacket from ASTR, the label, and it is this. Is this like a moto jacket, I believe, and I like the style of it. Probably wouldn't get it in white though. I tried to change the color to like a brown because I thought that would look a little bit cuter in the white, but the brown is sold out. I do like the style of it. It is pretty oversized for a small, which makes me happy because normally like a small it'll fit me like a little bit tight, but this is a little bit big for a small, which I honestly do not mind. It is a tad bit see-through in the back, which is okay, I guess. I don't think this would be a good jacket to wear when it's cold outside because it is pretty light. I do like the button detailing. I think it's pretty cute and different. And I also like the fact that you're able to cinch up the bottom to make it a little bit more tighter. So the next item that I got is this dress from Topshop, and I was very confused when I received this dress because it's not me. Where is this? Why was this my style? It's a very different dress, I would say. It's like a floral pattern. Or is it paisley? Is this paisley? I think the reason why I don't really like this a lot is because of the color. It kind of makes me feel like I'm like the Wicked Witch of the West. East Constant, you know. The neck detailing is very unique because it's like a little bit of a collar and then you tie it, which I thought was pretty interesting. And then like the neck lining is like a deep V, so that way you can show a little bit of your tatas if you want to. I'm not showing mine because I don't have any, so it's not a problem. I do like the shoulder detailing because it's a little bit of a puff, and it kind of feels like they like layered the shoulder part to kind of give it like a little bit of a form, I would say. For $68 too, oh my gosh, that's going back. Okay, so the next item that I got is also from Free People, and this is a blazer, and I forgot what type of material this is. It's very bohemian, I would say, because it's the pattern on the inside, and then if you roll up the sleeves has the patterns on the inside too as well. I do like this pattern, but I would like it more as a shirt or like a dress or maybe a skirt, but not in this blazer. The style of the blazer, I do like the color of it, and the fit is very nice. Of course the pockets are sewed in. It's like, why? It is a pretty thick blazer, so this would definitely keep you warm if you like working in like a cold place. If your building's cold, like my building is, they always have the air conditioner on for some reason in the winter time especially. I kind of feel like a burrito. That's what I feel like. I kind of feel like a burrito because it looks like a burrito. It's the same color as a burrito, so I feel like a burrito. So this is a no-go. And the last item that I got is from ASTR The Label, and it is this very peach coral dress. I like the pattern of this. It looks like it's like flowers and leaves. This also does not fit me properly in like the chest area right here. I like the detailing at the end of the sleeves. Yeah, it's pretty lightweight, and yeah, it's pretty cute, but I am not keeping this because I like it, but I don't know if I'll wear it that much, to be honest. I'm definitely going to wear this for some Instagram photos though. So those are the items that I got for this month's Trunk Club box. I am not keeping any of these items because I honestly didn't really fall in love with any of them. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!